How to make Google Chrome your default search engine. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make Google Chrome your default search engine. So the first thing to do is to move to your control panel, that is your device's control panel. Okay, so close this, then go to your control panel. Now your control panel, you would locate programs, yeah, and you select it. Once you get it, the other programs, you would click on default programs. Yeah, another default programs, you select set your default programs. Then yeah, you wait for it to load. And once it has loaded, you'll see a list of programs on your laptop or your PC. Then you'd look for Google Chrome, which is over here. Then you click on it, and then yeah, all you need to do is to come down to the lower part of the screen, and then you select set this program as default. Once you click on it, automatically you've set it. All you need to do is to click on OK, and then Google Chrome has been set as your default search engine. And if you want to change it, change it, you can always do this by going back to set your default programs, and you can select other ones such as Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, whichever one you want besides Google Chrome. That is how to set it as your default search engine. Thanks for watching.